Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I, Deepmani Bhardwaj, welcome you all again, and today we will be discussing about the RBI Grade B's job profile. Fine. So since we are going to discuss about RBI Grade B's job profile, so we must be aware that its notification is already out. You must start your form filling, for which we have already made a separate video that how you can apply for it, what's the exact procedure. But here we will be discussing about the job profile. So if we talk about the RBI's grade B part, then it is not only good for the salaries part, but also this job profile is also very interesting. And no doubt you are aware of the RBI, isn't it? That is Reserve Bank of India. Now Reserve Bank of India plays a significant role in each and everything, as you know that it is in the another way, it is known as the father of all the banks, isn't it? Now since I am saying it is the father of all the banks, this means it is the one of the most important organization in our country that is dealing with all the types of banks, that is all the banks. Fine. Now after the selection of the candidate as a RBI grade B officer, a probation period of 2 years along with 15 weeks of training is kept. Now as you know that when you will be selected, there is undoubtedly you have to practice there, you must be able to work there. So for working you are given training also. So what is the duration of that training? You will be given training for 15 weeks. Fine. Now what would be the venue? So the venue of this training is the Reserve Bank Staff College. Fine. Now the job profile of RBI grade B officer varies from one post to another. It totally depends upon the location where you are posted. Sorry, that totally depends upon the work that you are going to do and where you are posted. Fine. So the department includes what? The department includes the financial markets, banking supervision, banking regulation, currency issuing, public debt office, foreign exchange, and HRD. Fine. Now one can be transferred to different departments. So again, it's not like that if you are working in one particular department, then you will be retiring from the same department. No, it's not like that. You may be transferred from one department to the another. Fine. Now, if I talk about more about this, then the first point is that you have to ensure nation's financial stability. So these are three different job profiles that what you are going to do there. So first of all, you will be ensuring nation's financial stability. Now how you are going to do this? So RBI grade B officers work towards keeping the inflation under check and ensure an adequate supply of liquidity of the production sector. Fine. Now that production sector should be under control. So this would be looked by you all. Next point, if we talk about the currency issue and circulation, then you will be looking about this also. Now how you are going to do this? See, as you know that RBI issues coins and currency, isn't it? Now RBI grade B officers are responsible for its circulation. Fine. And apart from that, you will also have a look that smooth functioning of the currency till the subordinate units of RBI is an important duty of yours, that is RBI grade B officers. Now if I talk about the management of government accounts, then management of state and central accounts, that is the government comes in two parts. That is the government, how our country is being governed. See, we are governed from the two of the governments, that is one will be a state government, that is the state government takes care of you, and now this funding is given by whom? Now state have some issues, then who is dealing with them? They are directly dealing with the central government. Fine. So here we are talking about the state and central government both. So what is being done? Management of the state and central government accounts by performing various merchant banking functions for them. Fine. So you will be doing these main works. Apart from that, let me tell you about the probation period. See, we are aware that there will be 2 years of probation period, isn't it? But let me tell you one thing, that this probation period of 2 years may extend till 4 years as well. Fine. Now, no doubt it is one of the most attractive job. There is no doubt about that. But you have to work hard there. Fine. And by working hard, it's not mandatory that you are going to extend or your probation period will be extended. But since it's one of the most reputed organization, that's why you will be given proper training, and out of that proper training they want that products should come in such a way that is they are going to serve country in the proper way. Fine. So after your training period, you will be all set to work from the Reserve Bank of India. Fine. So this was all about the job profile. In case you have any doubt, see, we have already made the lecture regarding what is the salaries part. We have already told you that its examination form is started, so you can just fill it. Apart from that, you can even start paying your fee because its last day is in the February. So we have already discussed about the salary part. Apart from that, it's form filling, and now we have discussed about the job profile as well. So in case you have any doubt, comment section is available for you. So please do comment there, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.